In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metafields to products in Shopify. This is an incredibly useful tool that can help you enrich your product listings with custom data, like size charts, care instructions, or any unique details you'd like to share with your customers. These little bits of information can make a huge difference in providing a tailored shopping experience, helping you stand out from the crowd. So let's dive right into the process. First, we need to start by defining the metafields within your Shopify admin. You'll begin by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard, then head over to the settings section. Once you're there, look for an option called Custom Data, or it might also be labeled as Metafields. This is where the magic begins, as here is where you'll set the structure for the information you want to add to your products. Choose the resource type that you want to add these metafields to. In our case, that's products. Next, you'll want to click on Add Definition. It's now time to name your metafield. For example, if you're adding care instructions for clothing, you could name it Care Instructions. Don't forget to select the appropriate type, whether it's text, number, image, or whatever suits your needs best. You may also notice options for namespace and key. These are useful for organizing your metafields, but they're not strictly necessary, so you can skip them for now if you wish. Once you've set this all up, hit Save to create the metafield definition. Next, we move on to assigning values to your products. Go to the specific product in your Shopify admin panel that you want to enhance with this additional data. Scroll down on the product page until you find the Metafields section. Here is where you'll actually input information using the structure you just created. Select the metafield definition you made earlier, and then input the specific value for the product. For instance, under Care Instructions, you might type in Machine Wash Cold. Once you have entered your data, make sure to click Save. It's essential to save these changes so that the data is committed to the product. Finally, let's make sure that these metafields are visible on your product pages. This is the part where it all comes together. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and select Customize to get into your theme editor. Choose the product template you want to modify, like the default product template. You'll want to add a collapsible row or other content block where you can then link up your metafield using the dynamic source feature. This is how your custom data will be displayed neatly on the product page. After you've set everything up just the way you want it, don't forget to hit Save to lock in your changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively add and display metafields on your Shopify product pages. This not only augments your product listings, but also provides your customers with richer, more personalized information, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!